Does having a bigger penis have to be something men can only dream about? No, not at all. There are options. You can undergo an expensive, risky surgery. You can also take your chances with creams, stretches and pulleys. Or you can consider taking daily Extagen tablets, which are the #1 male enhancement tablets in the world. Taking only one tablet a day is all it takes to increase your penis size and girth, as well as your sexual stamina and libido. If this sounds too good to be true, it's not. If you're interested in an all-natural approach to male enhancement, listen to the basic facts. First, let's discuss what Extagen is. Extagen is a trademarked combination of all natural herbs and phyto-extracts, which is backed by the FDA. Extagen is manufactured into an oral tablet that's easy to take, as well as take with you. When the all-natural ingredients are mixed using Extagen's proprietary formula, they stimulate blood flow in your penis during arousal. This means bigger, harder, longer-lasting erections. Results may vary from person to person, but many users report an increase in penis size of up to 1 inch. Additionally, as a result of the heightened blood flow, your girth, stamina and libido may also experience improvements. Extagen is safe to take, and doesn't produce any harmful side effects. Extagen is also hypoallergenic and contains no wheat, yeast, corn, milk, sugar, salt, starch, animal products, artificial colors or artificial flavors. You can see results in as little as 2 weeks. For those of us that lead demanding lifestyles, Extagen doesn't interfere with your work schedule. It's only required to take 1 pill a day. Extagen offers a 120-day money-back guarantee, including the cost of shipping, for all of its orders. And for those of you concerned about identity fraud, your privacy is protected with Extagen's secure and confidential ordering system. Let's recap. Extagen is all-natural, FDA-backed, and it stimulates blood flow to your penis during arousal. It's safe, easy to take, and comes with a money-back guarantee. If you're still dreaming about how to make your penis bigger, it might be time to wake up and smell the Extagen. Jason Wahlberg is an e-zine expert author in the field of natural penis enlargement, as well as having over 6,000 published article views around the web. To read reviews of Extagen, http://www.menshealthcustomerjournal.info/prosolutionpills.php, one of the top-ranked penis enlargement pills, and to discover the secrets, be sure to visit his website. Extagen reviews, http://www.menshealthcustomerjournal.info/prosolutionpills.php.